Hey everyone, I am Manikesh Kumar and today I'm going to show you another Kotlin project. This is pretty simple project, so I was just curious about it that like we can make it something like that in Android, like in laptop it's easy, so I thought why not make it in Android. So let me just introduce you what is this project about. This is the project I'm talking, which I'm going to show you now. So I basically named it like LumaFront, like it's an real-time face tracking app and overlay lightning effects system wide, like built with like Android and Kotlin obviously. And this also has like little bit ML model, like it detects face like uh, it detects your face like via Google ML kit and displays a dynamic studio style glow overload that follows the user's face. Like if you move around somewhere like left right, it will automatically follow your face. The app, this app also monitors front camera uses and across the device. Like it will automatically monitor whenever the camera is opened or whenever the camera is off. And like this is basically working like MacBook as Lightning, which MacBook released last year or this year, I don't remember. But I thought why not make it. And this project combines camera management, face detection, and overlay rendering and background services into seamless package. Its core feature includes a persistent background service with a customizable overlay, camera usage monitoring, and an intuitive control UI for like starting and stopping the system with lightning effects. I will also like show you the image comparison with its flashlight and without it. So let me give you quick features. Like already told you, this has real-time face detection with ML kit, Google ML kit, and system overlay white glow. This also monitors your camera uses and foreground service architecture and permission handling. Like you have to give camera permission and overlay permission and all those things. And the UI is very simple. And for the compatibility, it supports Android 8.0 and above, including Android 12 Plus. And for the Android SDK, I've used Android SDK framework, and for the programming language, I've used Kotlin. And for the face detection, I've used MLKit face detection. And for the camera library, I've used like android.camera.core. And similarly, like that, so many things. To tell, I will also give you like GitHub repository where you could just use this. I actually used it in Darklight, so let me just give you a quick tour. I don't think it will open this in. Let me just open in my mobile only. Wait a second. Hmm, there we go. Okay, let's just remove this. Just start my own device. So yeah, this is the thing, and let me just show you where it went. Yeah, this one. So as you can see, we have simple UI, like you can select any light, you can select whatever the glow, it will change background according to that. Like you can see like what is the background. If you select gradient, it will show like that. If you select this one, it has so many colors, and it was not rocket science to add colors. You can, if you want, I can add it more, or you can add on your own if you are Kotlin developer. But if you are like user, and if you want me to add it, you can just raise the issue on GitHub and I will add it. So let me just start service. As you can see, the glue hasn't been, like if I close the app, as you can see, the glue hasn't been overlay yet. But the moment I used open camera, it will automatically come. So let me just show you that. I will just, yeah. So as you can see, the glue has already been detected. And when you click photos with it and without it, you will and clearly see an difference between it. So that's it. And let me just show you the what you said. image comparison. So let me just show you that also. And this works in all the, like, you know, any color you want. So let me just stop service and let me just show you the image comparison for that. For that I will go to, I have already uploaded it on GitHub. Where is social? Yeah, so this one. And if you go on this Google Drive link, so as you can see, this is, let me just show you without one first. So this is without the S flashlight. It looks pretty good, but as you can see, the, like, there are so many dark, what do you call that, noises. Yeah, and if you will see this one, so as you can see, the difference is clear. Like, it is very much difference, and the lightning is where I used like pink one. And so yeah, that's it for now. And if you want to contribute, you can just copy, zip the code or clone it, whatever you want. And if you want to raise an issue, you can raise issue here, and I will add new colors or whatever features you want. And that's all for now.